We drove to New Jersey. Your eyes saying I'll be worried. You said it was nothing, but I know you get worried.
Hey you guys, so today is gonna be a bit different than the last house hunting video. I'm gonna be doing voiceover, but stick around to the end of the video for some exciting news. So this is the first house and I love this house. This is the fireplace that's inside the living room, and where my realtor and husband is standing is the dining area, of really big main living space. And I love this kitchen. I love all the finishes, and it has a little breakfast nook and 2 pantries on the side of the fridge there. But of course it doesn't have my island, but it is big enough to put an island. I would probably get rid of that breakfast nook and put some more cabinets and the island. This is the master bedroom, and one of my favorite parts of the house because it actually has a master bath attached to it, which a lot of the houses in New York don't have. So it had a double vanity, and the bathroom was just, it was beautiful. All the finishes were beautiful, and one of my secret fantasies as well is a double vanity. Not a necessity, but always a plus. Now we're going into the hallway that has all the other bedrooms. This house had 3 bedrooms on this floor and another bathroom apart from the master bath. All bedrooms were very, very nice sizes, and the bathroom was pretty standard but beautiful. I would probably just change the colors on the walls because I don't like beige walls. I like everything all white, super clean, super nice. This is the closet, and then we're gonna head downstairs to the basement where there's way more space.
It's like we don't know how to talk without the flames getting higher. You hear when I mean, yeah, nothing else.
As you guys can see, it is a huge space. I would probably put an office right there in that little nook that I just showed you guys, and then a playroom slash family room in this room. I really want a separate space for the baby to play in so that my living room is not a wreck all the time. And then when you go into this little hallway is a 3rd bathroom, which is beautiful. Everything's all white. I love it. It's actually my favorite bathroom after the master bath. And then a guest room. So down here would be a 4th bedroom that has their own bathroom right across, which I absolutely love. I love this house. And that is my favorite part of the house, this beautiful baby girl. And then I'm just showing you guys the backyard. Pretty standard size. It had a little patio made out of concrete and a pretty standard size backyard for New York.
We don't listen when we talk.
And now we're at the 2nd house, which is kind of a fixer-upper, but a little bit not really. You know, you can't get away from the fixer-uppers. If you're new here, our first house was a fixer-upper, but basically this house had all new finishes, new cabinets, new walls, new everything, but just the homeowners that were there really liked natural wood, and they kept a bunch of it with some really dark colors on the walls. So what I would see is obviously lightening up everything and painting everything white, redoing the kitchen cabinets, new countertops, new backsplash, all that stuff. It was really big. It was a good sized house. These are the rooms. They had 3 bedrooms upstairs. Everything is a horrid red and green color. I don't know what these homeowners were thinking, but the bathroom is pretty nice. Is all white. But again, I told you guys in my last video how hard it was in New York right now to find a house, so we obviously had to look at some fixer-uppers because chances are if it's a nice newly renovated house, it has tons of offers that are way over asking price. So yeah, this is the hallway where all the bedrooms are, and then it's the dining room when you walk in and the living room back there, and then the kitchen. It's not open concept, but you guys are gonna see when I walk out to the backyard what actually sold this house. This is just the basement, pretty standard. It has another bathroom here, and then this would be like another playroom, and the laundry room is also down there, but I didn't show it. And this, guys, this is what sold the house. The inside is completely fixable with some paint, but the outside, guys, you do not get this type of customized backyard in New York. This is semi brand new, newly done, all brick patio with a built-in barbecue. And if you guys could see that gated area in the back, that is a gated garden area, which I would love to plant me some cucumbers or peppers or whatever. That would be so good for my mental health. And this barbecue little area is just amazing. We host a lot of things at our house. In fact, I'm recording this voiceover the day after 4th of July, and we had something over here, so I would love to have this type of backyard for entertaining. That's a fire pit, and I just fell in love with this backyard. You don't get this in New York.
Citrus in our beverages, show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies.
And now we're at the third house, you guys. This was a beautiful house. It had a huge living area. That would be the living room, and then there's the kitchen and the dining area. But guys, what have I been talking about since this process started? The island. It has a beautiful island, lazy Susans, and a garbage pullout. These things are not necessary, but they're just things that I always wanted in my dream kitchen, and I never really thought that I could have. But I love the island. It has like a shiplap design on it, and just the whole house is really a modern farmhouse type of feel. Even all the doorknobs are black, and that's just something that you would find in a modern farmhouse. And I love this bathroom. This would be the guest bathroom. It's really big, and the towels on the floor are actually the towels that I have in my bathroom upstairs in my current house that I picked out. So hello, it's meant to be. The shower is really big. I love all the towels, subway towel going all the way up, and then some nice pattern tile on the bottom. When you go up the stairs, there's 3 bedrooms upstairs, and that closet right there is actually a laundry closet. I didn't record it, I don't know why, but all 3 of these bedrooms are really big sizes, and the master is huge. I don't know if the camera does it justice, but I'll let you guys know when we're in the master bedroom. And I love the railing because I love, for Christmas time, decorating with garlands, so that's why I recorded the railing. But this is the first bedroom, and the walls are a beige color. I don't know why they did the entire bottom floor in this nice white color, but then the top floor is like all beige, so that's obviously something I would be painting because I just don't like the dingy feeling. Like in my house, you guys know everything is all white, and it's like an off-white, but I just feel like white makes areas look, or spaces look bigger. This is the second bedroom that's right next to the master, so I would probably put the baby's room there. And this is the master. I don't know, the camera doesn't do it justice now that I'm looking at it, but this room is huge. Like, I don't even know what I would do with all the space.
True talent in avoiding conversation, yeah. It's almost rather cruel. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that.
So it's actually the night after we went house hunting, and we filmed a video. If you see the lighting is a little off, it's because it is pitch black outside. It is late in the night. My daughter has been going through a crazy sleep regression, and I cannot film during the day right now, so she's asleep, my husband is asleep, and this is the only time I get to record this outro that I wanted to record. So I have some exciting news for you guys. So you guys know I put out 2 house hunting videos. This is the second one, and the first one had 3 houses. This one had 3 houses, but we went to go see way more than just 6 houses. I just didn't record them. I didn't record them if they were like really ugly or just not what we expected. We saw a couple of those in this video actually that we just walked in and we literally just walked back out because on listings some sellers will actually photo edit their pictures to make the house look nicer than it is, and it's just, I didn't think it was worth recording. So, but out of the 6 houses that we've shown you guys from the first house hunting video and this one, we have put in an offer for every single one. Every single one. And all of them got rejected apart from one. So one offer finally got accepted. I am so excited. We actually just had the inspection and the contracts are being written. So I am so excited, you guys. This This house I am so excited about. There's so much that I want to do, so much plans that I have, and I'm just so excited to take you guys along the journey. And I want you guys to comment. I'm not going to tell you guys, I'm not going to make it that easy. I just want to make sure everything is solid and set in stone before I even tell you guys which house it is or show you guys the house. So leave a comment down below which one you think it is, which one you think we got accepted for. Leave your guesses down below. Remember, we put in guesses for all 6 houses between these 2 house hunting videos. So if you haven't already watched the first one, go ahead and do that. I'll link it up above. Give me your guesses. I would love to see which one you guys think that we got into contract with. So yeah guys, I am so excited for this journey. I'm so excited to do an empty house tour, and from here on out my channel is strictly just going to be packing with me, decluttering with me, getting ready for the new homeowners, because I gotta get this house ready for the new homeowners. You guys know we got this house in like just over 2 years ago, and we moved in on our wedding night and all that good stuff. Found out we were pregnant directly after the honeymoon, so I really have not taken care of the house as well as I should. Just things like cleaning baseboards and just little things that bother me when I walk past. So I am gonna go through this entire house and really try to get it set for the new homeowners, especially because they're family. So I really want to have the house set really nice, and I'm planning to do something sweet for them. Because you know it's my sister-in-law and they're getting married, so I'm planning to do something sweet for them, and I'm gonna record it. So yeah, just stay tuned for all that exciting content and for the empty house tour. God willing, everything goes through. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, for coming with me on this journey, and I'm so excited to share the rest with you. If you're not already subscribed, I would appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button, like this video if you liked it, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any other videos regarding this very exciting process. I'll see you guys in my next video.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.